Hello and welcome to this new video on the Mayastar 7 features. Today we're going to talk about the custom joint position avatars. So for this example, I have taken the default, it's not a default, but the Mayastar avatar that comes with this new version, detached everything. So it's like a imported dev kit. And so after the import dev kit prepper and everything, your bind pose is being restored to this. And in this case here, I have changed the length of the arm from shoulder, the elbow position, so the forearm is also longer. I have put the pectorals more forward and downwards, and the love handles are closer together, and I have pulled up both hips from here. Okay, and elonged also the torso by pulling this one up. Okay, so if you are working on your own custom positions, you know which ones you have modified from the default. And so you can select, excuse me, you can select those that you have modified. Notice that also the collision volume bones can be moved away. All right, but this is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so if you don't know which ones were modified from the default, you can select the hip, control right click and select hierarchy to select everything, which it didn't do. Select hierarchy, there you go, and run this procedure. All right, so in my case, since I know which ones I have been modifying, I'm going to select all of them one by one, adding them to my selection. Let me remove the selection of surfaces like this. And by default, the MayaStar avatar comes with custom feet joint positions. So I'm going to add those one too. Okay, you can do that also in a second time. So with these selected, I'm going to click on Store Joint Positions like this. Then I'm going to add these other joints. If I can select the right joint, oh, there it is. Even more difficult to select. All right, there we go. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and click on Store Joint Positions. And once you're done, at that point, you run a MayaStarizer dev kit converter. You might be tempted to go to add delta setup, but there is no input yet until we MayaStarize it. So from here, the next step is to MayaStarize. So this is a female. The MayaStarizer does its job doing the default joint positions first. Okay, and that's where we go with the add delta setup. Now your custom joint positions have been restored. All right, and the shape sliders actually work off from there. So that's the height, body thickness, body fat is not really important there. Let's do a torso. What can we, oh, shoulders. like that. Breast size, it starts off from there. Cool. Breast buoyancy, cleavage, arm length, finally. Torso length. And if we go back up, let's do some with the legs that were pulled up from before. So leg length. Let's frame it like this. Hip width, hip length. Everything is being retained from your custom position. So now we also support custom position, custom joint position avatars with few simple steps that, again, if you are the creator of your custom position avatar, you know what you have moved away from the default position. But excuse me, if you're importing a custom position avatar and you don't know which ones were moved from the default, just take all of them by selecting the hip joint, the M pelvis, control held down, right click, select hierarchy, and then running the procedure external dev kit, store joint position, MayaStarizer, add the delta setup. And that's it. This is that simple. Alright, so this covers the custom joint position dev kits and avatars if you create your own. And yeah, I hope you have fun, that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.